everyone, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Before we get started, I want to remind you that we are doing hybrid Storytimes, which means on top of the Storytimes online here, we are also doing them in person at the library. The in-person version of these Storytimes for the toddler/preschool age group are at 10:30 a.m. on Mondays. All right, now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for Storytime? This week, our theme is Christmas. That means this week we're going to read some books about trees and ornaments and Santa. All right, our first book is Mouse's First Christmas by Lauren Thompson, illustrated by Buket Erdogan, and published by Little Simon. "'Twas a night still and starry, and all through the house not a creature was stirring. Just one little mouse. Mouse was peeking all around to see what good things could be found. Up on the table, Mouse found something sweet and sparkly. It was a cookie. And something warm and melty. It was hot cocoa. And something cool and sticky. It was a candy cane. Next to the window, Mouse found something jingly and glinty. It was a jingle bell. And something bright and flickery. It was a candle. And something fine and silvery. It was an angel. High on the mantel, Mouse found something soft and felty. It was a stocking. And something white and floaty. It was a snow globe. And something tinkly and twirly. It was a music box. Then, there in the corner, Mouse found something tall and prickly. It was a tree. And something boxy and ribbony. Lots and lots of them. Presents! Then Mouse found someone, whiskery and jolly. It was Santa Claus, and Santa whispered, "'Tis your very first Christmas, and all through the house, no one is loved more than you." Little Mouse. All right, that was Mouse's First Christmas. What'd you guys think? What's your favorite part of decorating for Christmas? Okay, our next book is Bear Stays Up for Christmas, written by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman, and published by Margaret K McElderry Books. The day before Christmas, snuggled on his floor, Bear sleeps soundly with a great big snore. Dear Bear, get up! Mouse shouts in his ear. We won't let you sleep through Christmas this year. His friends are all there, gathered in his lair, and the bear wakes up. He stands with a stretch and a great big sigh. I hope I can make it. I do want to try. Don't worry, squeaks Mouse. Hare says, it's all right. We'll keep you busy all day and all night. He tries to lie down, but his friends all frown, so the bear stays up. Come on, says Badger, time to follow me. In Pine Grove Glen, there's a fine Christmas tree. So they stomp through the woods and they tromp down the track. They hoist up the tree onto Bear's big back. He plods very slow as they trudge through the snow, but Bear stays up. Back at the cave, Gopher brews mint tea, and Mole pops corn to string upon the tree. Raven and Wren bake a fresh fruit cake. The friends do their best to keep Bear awake. His shoulders start to stoop and his eyelids droop, but Bear stays up. They hang up their stockings by warm firelight and hum Christmas songs like Oh Holy Night. They cuddle and sing as they wait for the sun. But soon all the voices fade to just one. A bright star glows while his good friends doze, but the bear stays up. Bear giggles and grins. He works and he raps. He bustles and bakes while everyone naps. He piles up presents under the tree, but who's at the doorway? Bear doesn't see. He toils all night until the sun rises, making his friends their Christmas surprises. Just before dawn, he lets out a yawn, but he still stays up. When Christmas arrives, so lovely and white, Bear's friends awake to a glorious sight. Presents and goodies are piled up tall. I stayed up, says Bear, just to share with you all. As his friends shout with glee, Bear lies by the tree. but he still stays up. Wren flies to the stockings and tweets out a cheer. Besides our bear's presents, Santa was here. When all gifts are open, there's one last surprise. Badger shows Bear a quilt, just his size. Bear snuggles up tight and mutters, "Good night." Then Bear falls asleep. His friends tidy up and slip from the lair. They whisper, "Sweet dreams, Merry Christmas, dear Bear." Okay, that was Bear Stays Up for Christmas. What'd you guys think? Do you like to make your Christmas presents or do you like to buy them? All right, everyone, thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our craft is this glittery Christmas tree. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for the Monday story times and one for Wednesdays. So you want to make sure to grab the right kits or you can end up with something completely different. The kits for this story time are in the Toddler/Preschool crate. They are the red ones. We have new kits every week, so make sure to check back in every time we do a new story time. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!